You know the top of the turnip? The greens of the turnip? Don't eat. But you may eat as much garlic and onion as you like. Eat some spinach. But don't try to be a Popeye. He said, do not become an habitual spinach eater. Every now and then, the messenger taught us not to eat any beans except the small navy bean. And when you learn how to use that navy bean, you should take a little money and go and stock your house with 100 pounds of these little navy beans. If you can afford a couple of 100 pounds, they can stay a long time. They don't mess up. That navy bean is full of protein, the right amount of fat and starch. Now, this may sound strange, I'm telling you, but if you practice how to eat to live, I'm telling you, in 30 days, you will look better. You will feel better. You will